What's up, guys? Steve here from Card Breaking L, getting ready for a 4-box mixer, 573 tonight, and then 574 premier case break after that. We're going to do our teams now. We got it all filled and ready to roll, so let's do it. We're live. Good luck. And it is 9:38 in Newfoundland. Here's your list of names: Adam to Clay, and Anaheim to Winnipeg. Good luck. 1, 2, 3. Timestamp. Timestamp on 3. 9:38. 9:38 it is. Last and final. Alright, final timestamp here. 9:38 and 9:38. Let's copy these over. Chicago, top spot. San Jose at the halfway. And St. Louis to Calgary. There's your teams. Let's do the names. It is 9:39. Adam to Clay. 1, 2, 3. Timestamp. Boom. Timestamp is 9:39. 9:39. Last and final. Fourth timestamp. 9:39 and 9:39. Andrew Daly, top spot. Josh, halfway. And Verno to Aaron. Alright, folks, here's your teams. We got Andrew, Chicago, Pat, Pittsburgh, Stephen, Philly, Matt, Winnipeg, Corey, Tampa Bay, Alex is Toronto, Paul, LA, Andrew is New Jersey, Jamie, Rangers, Josh, Boston, Jarvis, Detroit, Adam, Dallas, Mike, Edmonton, Brandon, Columbus, Josh, San Jose, Verno, St. Louis, Sean, Anaheim, Dylan, Montreal, Mike, Vancouver, Caden, Florida, Andrew, Ottawa, Clay, Andrew, Colorado, Clay, Ottawa, Corey, Buffalo, Brad, Minnesota, Jamie, Islanders, Josh, Carolina, Terry, Arizona, Besser, Washington, Aaron, Nashville, Calgary. We'll see you soon.